How to fix Valorant not opening or launching. 1. Reduce your PC's display resolution. 2. Check for any graphics card driver updates or newer version, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Moreover, update your Windows as well. 3. Disable your antivirus software. 4. Restart all Riot services and Valorant and make them run automatically. 5. Run Valorant as an administrator. 6. Remove and reinstall Valorant. Also, keep your game up to date. FYI, Valorant Update 4.05 is available on March 23, 2022.